So, due to the current pandemic situation, Adobe has announced that they'll be giving away 60 days for free to any of their users with active subscriptions. It's pretty straightforward how to get it, but I'll quickly show you. Step 1 is to go to your Adobe account on their website. You can do this by going to adobe.com or by going to your Creative Cloud, clicking Preferences, and clicking on Adobe account. You will then see an overview of all your current subscriptions. This will work for any. For the sake of the video, I will go with Photography Plan. Click Manage Plan, and then on the right over here, you'll see Cancel Plan. You want to click that. Now they want a reason for as to why you go. You click on It's too expensive. I'm hoping that they'll eventually reduce their pricing. On the second screen, they'll probably make you aware of a cancellation fee, as you can see on the screen here. Disregard this for now and just click Continue. And on the third screen, I don't have the option there right now, as you can see. You should have a box just like so, stating the possibility of activating a 60-day free trial. All you have to do is click Activate, and then you get 60 days for free. It's that simple. Unfortunately, I can't show you on my screen because I've already done it for both of my subscription plans, but it's very straightforward. It'll be in a big orange box on the screen, and all you have to do is click Activate. If you're encountering any problems with this process, just hit me up in the comment section or message me on Instagram, and I'll try to do my best to help you out. If this has worked for you, please consider sharing it with all of your close friends and your creatives, because we're all lacking a source of income right now. And this is something that can benefit all of us creatives out there to continue to do what we love doing. This is a tricky period that we're all going through with a lot of uncertainty ahead of us, but with little tips and tricks like this, we can all make it through.